Welcome to Zuri Springs, an 855-acre haven nestled in the heart of Kiambu County. Zuri Springs is a development by BuyRentKenya, the owner and developer of Tatu City and Oaklands. Here, nature thrives alongside modern living. With its pristine dam, natural spring, and abundant indigenous trees, Zuri Springs offers more than just a place to live. It offers a lifestyle. Imagine waking up to the sound of birds chirping and the gentle rustle of leaves in the wind. This is the tranquil environment that Zuri Springs provides away from the hustle and bustle of city life. Conveniently located just 40 kilometers north of Nairobi and a mere 7 kilometers from the Thika Superhighway, Zuri Springs offers the perfect balance between accessibility and serenity. Whether you are looking for a residential plot to build your dream home or a space for commercial, industrial, or recreational purposes, Zuri Springs has something for everyone. Zuri Springs is at the heart of a vibrant and growing community with everything you need within reach. Amenities like the Juja City Mall, Gatundu Level 5 Hospital, Juja St. Peter's School, and J Kuwat are all nearby. Zuri Springs is natural, serene, and memorable.